What we're looking at here is a small convenience store outside of Cincinnati, Ohio, in an area called Roselawn, known as ShopRite. ShopRite is actually a non-existent business name that is a front operation for a designer drugs and stolen merchandise fencing operation. The business was originally started known as Roselawn Express Incorporated, an Ohio entity number 1496522, and it was registered by Jihad A. Jalak. Now, this particular filing has an incorporator known as Fatina, that's Fatena DAS, DAAS. And it actually expired in 2009 after the 5 years of tax credits were unavailable to the owner of the store at the time. So what had happened was, during this point in time, they had filed a fictitious name filing by the name of ShopRite in order to attract the business from the large corporation of ShopRite Incorporated with the grocers in New York and New Jersey areas. ShopRite was a fictitious name used for doing business as. It also is an inactive status. It is canceled 5 years after it was filed and canceled as of February of 2010. So ShopRite here is a convenience store in Cincinnati, Ohio that has no business filing and has no legal right to operate in Cincinnati. But what do they do here at ShopRite? That's the important part. We've all heard about Spice now. We've heard about the designer drugs available to our children at places, at head shops. Fortunately, head shops and smoke shops, you have to be 18 years old to purchase something there. Places like ShopRite are where our children will go in order to find a quick legal high. They can get anything here from anything from synthetic cannabinoids or fake marijuana, all the way up to fake methamphetamines. Yeah, I said fake methamphetamines. They're known as bath salts here at ShopRite. ShopRite will also sell your children a bong. Water pipe is what they'll call it there, to make sure they're not calling it a bong. So they use fancy names and words to try to change what they're doing. But what they are is they're illegal drug dealers. What makes these legal drug dealers more of a threat than anybody else in America right now is the fact that this is a chemical warfare. These drugs that they're selling are not FDA approved. They're not the drugs. They're actually lab-created designer drugs that they are feeding without any age verification whatsoever. So your 12-year-old son or daughter can go into ShopRite and buy themselves some synthetic methamphetamines, leave ShopRite, get high, and die. And there's not even a point in time their ShopRite owner or the clerk will ask to see their ID. This is an extreme problem that we've noticed ShopRite having the most majority of the complaints coming from. So we're going to be investigating ShopRite further. This is Verum with Verum Truth. Visit us again at verum.biz, and have a great day.